I am the magnificent bird, Peacock. I have my lovely crown-like feather crest on my head, and people call me the king of birds. Do you know what my tail with decorative plumage is called? It is called a train. When rain comes, I spread out my train and dance beautifully. I think I am a bit hungry. Let me search and find some bugs, worms, seeds, flowers or grass to eat. Is that a snake? Oh, I dislike snakes. It is time for a fight. I will go attack and eat him. Before leaving, I want to tell you something very important. We peacocks shed feathers every year. So please don't kill us for feathers. Bye bye. See you soon.